Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Castle of Heart, Retold game, crashing, not launching, lagging, black screen, low FPS, not loading or other errors on PC. So let's go through it. The first method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, you have to select your game. Here I have not downloaded the game as I am showing you an example. So after selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the problem. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you where your game has been installed. Now from here you have to select your game application, right click on it, click on properties, now compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and then click on OK. After this, try to launch the game and see if it helps. If not, click on disable full screen optimizations, then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, now search for device manager. After that, go below, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating your drivers to the latest version, now check if you can play it. Nvidia and AMD users, just go through the link I have already given in the description, and after updating your graphics card, check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you need to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and see if it works. If not, again come back and type -DX12 and then try to play it and see if you can play it now. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for Windows security and now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and now you have to search whether your game is listed over or not. If not, you have to click on allow another app, then click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where it has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list. After adding it, select it and make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. So after doing this, now try to play it and see if it resolves. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. For that, Steam users, go to Steam, now click on Steam option over here. Can click on settings. After that, go below, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you simply need to disable it. After disabling it, launch the game and see if it works. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, then click on general and here switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Once done, check if you can play it. Next method is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is updated. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available. Once you update your Windows, now try to launch the game and see if you can play it. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for task manager over here. After that, go below and search for those apps which are of no use but running in the background. After searching them, simply select it and after that right click on it and click on end task option. So this will close the app completely, and after that again try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, now go below and from here you have to download the Visual C++ files. After downloading it, install it. After installing, restart your system once. After restarting, log into the game and then check if you can play it without any further problem. But if the issue continues, then it's time to reinstall Castle of Heart Retold games. For that, what you need to do is go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from its system. Once done, restart your system. After restarting, launch Steam and again come back and reinstall Castle of Heart Retold game on your PC. After installing, click on the play button and then check if you can play it without any kind of issues that were coming across in previous. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Castle of Heart Retold game not launching, not loading, crashing, freezing, low FPS, black screen or other errors on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.